I finally joined base.app. Here's what I can tell you so far. When you see a lightning sign, it means that the post is for sale. This is how much the last post sale was. The creator earns from their post trading activity. You see all different kind of posts. I'm not sure about post quality or authenticity in general. Creators can connect their NFTs. If a user makes a trade, it is viewed as an update. When you click on videos, you get to see only videos. Again, I am unsure about authenticity. This was my first day trying out Base app. I will get back for more info soon. Let me know if you have any questions.